Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness, and welcome back to Yoga for the Bros, the yoga series designed for men. If it's your first time, dude, welcome. My name is Mike, and today's episode 7 of Yoga for the Bros, and today we will be doing a nice and easy morning yoga sequence. So this is an awesome sequence to do right when you wake up. Great way to start your day. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water or some coffee, and let's get started. Okay guys, so let's begin the sequence coming into an extended child's pose. So bringing the knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, walking the arms out long, really breathing into the back body. The forehead can rest in the mat. Coming back to your breath. And on your next exhale, let's shift forward, coming into a cobra pose, keeping the knees on the mat, and just opening up the chest, opening up the heart. Roll your shoulders back here. Great stretch for the abdomen. Again, come back to your breath. And on our next exhale, let's curl the toes, shift the hips up, coming into downward facing dog. Keep your fingers spread wide here. Hands are actively pushing into the mat. And feel free to pedal out your feet, really waking up the back of the legs, the hammies, the calves. And from here, let's heel toe, walk the feet up behind our hands. And we'll take a forward fold here. So keep the knees bent generously. Option to grab opposite elbows and swing them side to side. And on our next inhale, let's keep the chin tucked into our chest, keeping the knees bent. We'll slowly start to roll it up, stacking the spine. The chin is the last to lift. Coming into mountain pose. Awesome job, guys. So from here, we'll do a few rounds of sun salutation. One of my favorite ways to wake up. So here we go. Let's inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Hips stay elevated, elbows hug in. And inhale, come into baby cobra, keeping the gaze down. And exhale, bring it back to downward facing dog. Breathe. On your next inhale, come up onto the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, we'll do a few more rounds. Here we go. Let's inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, Step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin, hips stay elevated, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog, breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. So we'll do 2 more rounds. Let's move a little bit faster on these last 2. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog, breathe. Here we go, inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. 1 more round. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. Great job, you guys. From here on our next inhale, let's bring our right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee. Step the right foot up in between the hands. Pivot the left foot 90 degrees. Air guitar that left arm up. Coming into warrior 2. Finding our foundation here, keeping the right knee over right ankle and the right heel in line with the left arch. Arms to a T. We'll take a couple breaths here. On our next inhale, bring it back to peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down and step it back to downward facing dog. Great job. On our next inhale, let's take it over to the other side. Lift that left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee. Step the left foot up in between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar that right arm up. Finding our foundation here, left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with the right arch, arms to a T, breathe. And then on our next inhale, come back to peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. Great job, you guys. Now from here, let's lower the knees down and we'll come into a toe stand. And this is where we'll end today's practice. And we'll curl the toes and simply just sit back on our heels. So for some of us, this can be a very intense pose for our feet. So if this is just too much, you can uncurl the toes and just sit back on your heels. But wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, bright and early in the morning. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you want a link to get one of the Yoga for the Bros shirts, I'll include that down below. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Hope you all have great days. Thank you so much. Namaste.